Good evening, traders. It is Thursday, February 26th, and this is the Asian session. That's right, this is the Asian session. You even see me do trading during the Asian session. Whenever I see an opportunity to make money, I might take a position. Now, there we are. Red bar on the daily. Crazy to go long here. Who would go long here but some crazy mixed up code trader? There's the 10-minute. I'm going long here. But have you ever heard the saying, play the chart? Now I could have, you say, yeah, well, it didn't break yet. That's true. That's true. But guess what? I know the code and it will break. It's going to go up. Now, the real trick is to guess where the exit is. That's the real trick. Let me go try to guess that for a second. Hang on 1 second and I will tell you what the exit is. The Houdini trader. Okay, there's 51. It should go up to about 51. I would say I'm going to take this up to, where's my position at? I'm at 89. I'm going to take this up to the 40 mark. So let's put it up here, 30. We'll take it up to 40. I'm going to take it up to 40. It'll probably hit about 50 or so, but I think 40 will be a good buffer there. Should go right up to about there on the exit. So there you go. I'm going to go for 51 ticks on this particular trade. 51 tick exit, and then guess what? Let me go set it up right now. You're not even going to believe this. Watch this. Let me go set it up right now. I'm going to take the exit right there, okay, to get out, and then I'm going to do a pending short order. You set this thing to lock up there. Pending short order right there. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out right there, okay? And then I'm going to go short right there at 40. So when it reaches 39, I get out from this long position, and then when it reaches 40, I go short right there with a 20 tick stop on it. I need to modify the exit. Yeah, I'll do that on the other side of the screen. I'll be back. Okay, I need to go in there. I need to cancel this order. Let me cancel this order here. Okay, order canceled. Okay, so it's no longer going to sell me out at 40 right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my buy limit. And I'm going to go in for 100 ticks. Okay, there's 100 ticks. Control A, Control C, Control A, Control V. There is your 100 tick exits. 20 tick stops. Okay. Now I'm going to go set it to sell me out at 40, or to sell me at 40, to go short at 40, to sell this position, to exit this position at 39, and to go short at 40. And there you have it. It's moving very slow right now because it's the Asian session. But what it's going to do is it's just going to continue to trend up, basically. Continue to trend up, and it's going to go right where I say it's going to go. Like I said, I'm going to start calling myself the Houdini trader. The Houdini trader. How on earth can I know what it's going to do before it does it? And then show it every day. And then, not only that, but then make 100 ticks. Like I said, the Houdini trader. And now I don't even have to do anything. I'll just set this thing for 20 ticks down here, right? I'm in at 9. There it is, right? 20 ticks. So if it goes down, I'm going to lose 20 ticks. If it goes up to where I say it's going to go, I'm going to make 51 ticks. And if it shorts me out and goes down 100 ticks, I'm going to make 100 ticks. If it shorts me out and it keeps going up, I'm going to lose 20 ticks. And it's all been set up, and I don't have to do anything. I can go do whatever I want now. Pretty cool, huh? All by knowing the codes. Pretty cool stuff. If I do say so myself. Okay, I'll be back. I'll show you the progression and or at least the outcome of this trade. I'll be back. Okay, this thing is shooting up too fast, too early. Something's up here. I'm not sure exactly what. Yeah. First of all, I'm gonna have to cancel that order to short. That's number 1 priority right now. Looking for the order 49.40. Canceling the order. Okay, order canceled to short. Now I'm going to increase the limit. I'm going to take that limit up. It's at 39 right now. I'm taking the limit up to... Oh man. Oh man. Oh boy, what could I get out of this thing? 49. 39. Let's see, I'm going for 50 right now. 50, 39. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's 50 ticks. You know, I'm really not sure what I can get off of this. I'm really not sure what the exit would be. Let me go take a look. Let me show you something on the 10-minute. This is what it looks like on the 10-minute. Just shot up. Right? Now let's go take a look at the daily. There's the daily. The thing is it's doing it so early that the chances are now it would go up even higher. But I don't want to risk that. The math on that isn't very good. I'm going to stick with my original plan, but I'm not going to go short at 40 because there's too much of a risk that it's going to go even higher than 40. Because it's doing it way too early. But the exit should be able to get hit. So I'm just going to keep the exit out there at 50 ticks and go for 50 ticks. That's it. Nothing more. And my exit is up there at 39. I'm thinking about going for more. I just don't know what the math is or where the exit would be. I'll come back, but right now you see where it's at. And for right now you see it's at 9 and it went up to 20 or a little over 20, like 21. Went up to 21 right there, and my exit is at 39. So it came close, but it still should go up there and go hit it still. 50 ticks. I'll be back. We're getting pretty close to the exit here, not too much further to go. It's up here at 39. And it's getting there. 26 came 13 ticks away. So it's moving on up, as you can see, and it doesn't have too much further to go. I am thinking about going for more than that exit. That's a 50 tick exit, but The truth is, I don't know what the math on that is, and therefore I'm just going to settle for the 50. I'm not exactly sure what it's doing right now. I know it's going up, but I don't know how high it will go up. We're playing a game of playing a dangerous game because it's going to come back down, and I don't want to get caught without, I don't want to get caught. I want to hit the exit, and it should hit the exit at the where my exit's at up there at 39. Should hit that. So I want to keep the math high. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, I'll come back, show you either the progression and or just the outcome, because there's not much further to go from here. So I'll be back. But you can see that, I took position, the initial position on this trade during the Asian session. And so this is how you can, play the Asian session and make money too. You can basically play the oil market around the clock, and you can play the codes around the clock. So there's a lot of money to be made. Almost there. 36, 37, 38. And there you go. 50 ticks in the bag for the Asian session. Amazing, isn't it? Now what I'm going to be watching is where was the, how high is this thing going to go? That's what I don't know. I don't know how high this is going to go. But I wonder if my 40 tick short would have been perfect right there. We're about to, I'll find out. But it's too risky right now. I wouldn't go short right here. It's too risky. The mathematics aren't real good. So you only take trades when your math is really good. When you get the math really good, then you pull the trigger, take the trade. And even then, when you're wrong, you cut your short, you're lost short. You just keep doing that over and over and over again. Right now, going long, the math isn't very good. Going short, the math isn't very good. I'll wait for the math to get good before I would enter again. Of course, I would just use the codes on it. I would use code 2 on it. So, anyway, there is a possibility, though, that 49.40 short entry I was going to take would be perfect by 4 ticks. It is possible. But if it did it, it would do it very early. I mean, we haven't even gone into the Euro session yet. It's about to go into the Euro here. So there's, this thing could go way up. I mean, it's too risky. But I just took the 50 ticks just to, that's how you play the math. Whatever it does from here, I don't really care. Anyway, just trying to teach you about trading. How real trading works, and the philosophy of trading, and how you go for trades, and you don't. I mean, what if it goes up another 100 ticks? Think I'm going to kick myself and say, "Oh, why didn't I hold it for 100 ticks?" No. If it goes down right from here and I nailed it, will I sit there and pat myself on the back and say how great it was? No. You know why? Because it doesn't do any good to do any of those things. You just always just do your best you can. That's all you can do. Use the codes, keep the math as high as you can, cut the loss short when you've got the loss, practice that entry, be willing to hold for the exit. Don't play bad trades. Like, for instance, I mean, like, a lot of traders would be like, oh, well, what if it goes down now? I can take a short entry and just go down. Or they'll say, oh, but it's going up. It might continue to go up. I'll take a long entry and go up. That's probably the best play, is to continue to go with it right now. But you're playing with fire, because at any time it'll start going down. So the math either way then is no good, because it's like sitting in the on the middle of the fence, saying which way do you, is it going to lean over. It could go either way. Only when the math gets good do you want to take a trade. And basically, the code is a representation of that. The codes, I should say. That's why when you see me take a trade, you see me take an entry, it goes in the right direction over and over and over again. Because of the codes. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It is 11:49 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time. It's almost midnight here. And I just saw an opportunity to make we'd gotten a code 2 long entry earlier that I took, and I saw an opportunity to take a trade off the Asian session. And I hit it for 50 ticks. Piece of cake. See, you can even make money on the Asian session. Cool, huh? That's what I'm trying to, I tell people, that oil is like, the oil moves like nothing else. Nothing moves like oil does. It's incredible. You can make money during the Asian session. You can make money during the Euro session. You can make money during the USA session. You can make money during the late USA session like I do every day. And there's no trading instrument like oil. Round the clock, world market. Make money in South Africa, Europe, Singapore, Japan, China, USA, Canada, all over the world. A world market, biggest commodity in the world. Traded commodity, I should say. Look at this. Look at this 40 entry short. I'm telling you, I might have nailed it because this is a chart play. Alright? But the problem with this chart play is that it doesn't look quite right. The codes, it's not right. So there's too much risk that it'd go higher. But if this is the high, and it starts coming down now, with the code you'll be able to tell that, and then go short off of it, off of a rollover, and go down with it. I'm telling you, with the codes, people don't even realize how powerful the codes are. Even people who buy the codes don't even really realize it. The codes are unbelievably powerful, what you can do with them. It's just a matter of you getting good at being able to do so. Anyway, I am going to get going. I'll be back tomorrow for Friday. Still Thursday here. Technically still Thursday. 26. About to change in 8 minutes. And I'm going to call it a day. Okay, traders, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading out there.